Hello everyone, this is Mike Miller with WeBookVacations.com, Cruise Planners. Wanted to do something different today. I am at my timeshare in Tahiti Village, Las Vegas. So I wanted to give you a tour of the Bora room. It's really a nice resort. We've came here several times and enjoyed ourselves. As you just saw, the kitchen there, and you have a washer, dryer, closet on the side. You can put your luggage in, hang more stuff, or your groceries when you go out shopping. One of the things I love in this room is the shower is a steam shower also. So you hit the button and it steams up really nice. So I always enjoy that. Then we have a jetted tub to relax in. We come over to the bedroom, nice and large closet. Big king bed, TV at the end. Let me show you our view. We are by the lazy river. This resort has a massive pool, lazy river, adult jacuzzi, family jacuzzi, bars at the pools. Very nice place just to stay, relax. It has shuttles going to Vegas, dropping off at the Mirage and the Tropicana. And the living room space here, nice and roomy, and the couch there pulls out into a queen bed, I believe. And let me show you the balcony and my wonderful view of the lazy river. As I mentioned earlier, I absolutely love the lazy river. Love it. The property, as you can see, is well decorated. There's a yard there where you can just go relax, play cornhole, you play table tennis, and then the grounds go for a long way. It's a fairly decent sized resort. So I just thought I would do something different there. Show you timeshare. Plus you can also rent Tahiti Village as well if you decide to come out. So let me show you that name there. It's Tahiti Village. And if you need any help with your travel, be it cruises, tours, planes, trains, automobiles, myself and Mary Jean are here to help you. And there's our contact information. And enjoy yourself. Have a nice day.